Hello friends, here on this video how you can fix message sending problem on your Realme phone. So friends, before we solve this message sending problem, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, you just move on your message. Then after you move on message, here you have to tap on your profile, click on profile. Then here you have to click on this message setting. When you tap on message setting, from here you are going to find RCS chats, notification bubbles, send photos faster, resolution is reduced for faster sending. Here outgoing and incoming message sound, pinch to zoom, conversation text. So I have not inserted my SIM card, that's why I cannot show you all the settings. But this RCS chart is not available okay right now. And here this sending photos, and this one I have activated from before only. If you want to activate, you can activate this all icons. Okay, here's a message organizations. And friends, here is the notifications. If you want to know about the notifications, then but it's not solved okay by activating this all. Also the problem doesn't solve okay, and it's okay. You just move on your file, Google file. Okay, then you can click on your apps. Here under the apps you have to tap on system apps, then you have to scroll down. Here's the Android system, and you have to search for your message. So here's the messages. Click on this three dot icon, click on app info. Then here you have to move on storage on data. Then here you have to clear your data. Okay, but my one I have not insert my SIM card, that's why it's not activated. Okay, just clear data. You have to clear your data from here. Okay, this will help you to solve your problem, and if it doesn't solve, then you have to software update, or you have to Android system, you have to clear it. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.